Hi, my name is Kimberly Boyce Quinton. I'm a STEAM lab teacher. In my lab, students will learn computer science principles, elementary robotics, and engage in hands-on applications of math, engineering, earth, space, and life science concepts. I'm also the GT coordinator and manage the testing and project-based learning for the GT students. UIL, Bilingual and Scripps National Spelling Bee coordinator, and I manage our academic competition teams, training and contests, the National Wildlife Federation Eco Schools, and coordinate our learning environmental projects, and the Campus Arts Liaison, who coordinates performances and campus partnerships with Houston arts organizations.
Good evening, Piney Point Panthers. I am Miss Kindle. I teach theater arts, and this is Mama Bear. Hello. In my classes, children will sing nursery rhymes, read and perform plays and fables. And they will also work with puppets. We also practice speaking to audiences and working together in groups. This is a class our students love because of the freedom of movement and expression of their true selves, where everyone is made to feel an important part of. Thank you so much, Theater Arts. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Accavallo, and I'm proud to announce that I've joined the Ancillary team. Yep, I will be your computer lab teacher. When you come to my lab, we're going to have fun working on computers and practicing your skills. We'll be working on your basic computer knowledge, internet etiquette, as well as keyboarding skills. You'll be amazed to learn what you can do on a computer when you have the proper tools and knowledge. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in the lab. See you soon.
Hello, Piney Point Panthers and parents. I am Miss Bridgewater, your student's digital media teacher. I am so excited this year for the computer labs. We have new computers. We are going to use those new computers to explore Google applications, and we are going to use digital cameras to capture what your students are doing around school. I will be posting on Class Dojo and my Twitter page to show y'all what we're doing inside my classroom. I can't wait to see your students.
Hi, this is Coach Ryan, one of the PE coaches here at Piney Point Elementary. This year, my class will be having lots of fun. We will participate in different programs such as Marathon Kids, Fuel Up to Play 60, a Small Bite nutrition program by Common Threads. Parents, don't forget to reach out to me if you are interested in taking your family camping with me. Looking forward to an exciting year here at Piney Point.
Panthers and family, this is Mr. Cahey, your physical education teacher. This year we are very excited to get back into the gym and getting exercise, getting those heart pumping and trying to do the Kids Heart Challenge this year. So we're going to try some new activities and we will exercise and we'll talk about nutrition and work, and we're going to even have parents able to have the opportunity to do some cooking on their own. So we are looking forward to an amazing, fun, safe, healthy year and looking forward to seeing you. So let's get down and exercise. Bye.
Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Mr. Baham. I'm the music teacher over here at Piney Point Elementary, and I'm very excited about this school year as far as music. We're going to do a lot of great things in music this year. My vision is to have the students learn songs by singing and playing instruments as well. And most of all, parents want to stay safe and healthy.
Panthers and families, this is Mr. Huerta, your art teacher. This year we are very excited to be back in the art room where we are going to continue having fun drawing, painting, and sculpting using clay. That's right. This year we're going to also be learning a lot about digital art with our new Procreate Art Club, creating art with the iPads and the Apple Pencils. That's going to be a lot of fun. You're also going to be using cameras to learn how to take pictures, use Photoshop, and do videos, especially for 4th and 5th grade. But for pre-K all the way to 5th grade, we're going to continue, like I said, having a good time learning about creating art and having fun. Wishing you a wonderful, healthy, successful school year.